What's up, Horizon? It's Kev, Build Teacher Episode 1. Just a little recap. This series is going to go step by step, teaching you exactly the basics on how to build a world. So, with that being said, first things first, how do we create a world? So if you look at your controllers here, you've got A, B, X, Y, then you got your two joysticks, but underneath each of those on your right hand you have the Oculus button, and then on your left hand what I like to call the hamburger button. Pull up the hamburger button, then you got this menu that pops up. You've got play, attend, hang out, all have different features. You want some games, you want to attend different events that are going on in Horizon, you want to hang out in the plaza, see the people you've recently met, go to hang out. But down here below, this is how we go and create a world of our own. So step one, we've got people, worlds, and create. So we're going to click on that create tab, and we're going to start a new world. And in this section here, they give you environment options that you can choose from, some rich environments that have a little bit more to them, some mechanics, so if you want to add some scripting, some throwing scripting into your world, here's some pre-made mechanics for you, and some other scripting environments that you can, learn how to script a little bit by seeing some of the scripts that were already put in by the Horizon team. But if you want to start from scratch and start brand new, just go on and click that blank world, title it whatever you'd like to title it. But since I already have a world, I'm not going to create one here. I'm going to go back to my create tab, and I'm going to go into build teacher. So this is the first step on how to create a world of your own, and away you go.